This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on Twitch. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Twitch. To enable or disable dark mode, the first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right hand corner down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go up to the little gear wheel in the upper left-hand corner. Tap on the gear wheel. That opens up settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences. Tap on Preferences. And then the next thing you want to do is tap on Appearance. Now it says Match System Theme. I'm going to toggle that off. Now a second line has been brought up. Dark theme. You can enable dark theme by toggling it on as you see mine is, or you can toggle it off. And if I go to match system theme, it'll just go to my system's theme. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Twitch. Thanks for watching.